Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today, here at Crypto.com, we're looking down the barrel of a sea of red. So, there are a few bright spots. You can see Dogecoin is up slightly. Cardano, Digibyte, Shiba, Coin's holding its own for now. Rarible, Ravencoin, a bunch of other ones are also up. So, you can see, SushiSwap's up 13%. That's awesome. About time we get some love there. But overall, small movements, positive, negative. FTM looks like it's getting some love, 15% up. Awesome. Alright. But for the most part, there are small moves, 5% or less, either positive or negative. So a couple of the coins that we've been tracking here. Alright, let's go back to the beginning. And let's go over to Shiba Inu. So a lot of news coming out for this one. All right, this could be a potential currency of sorts. People are going to try to accept this as payment. You can see over the last few months we've had some volatile price movements. Okay, we had a couple spikes higher, and it's been pretty much on a downtrend ever since the high. So, look for this in the future. Keep an eye on what's going on in the space. I'm still hanging on to what I got because I sold a bunch off and I covered my capital that I put in. So, what I have is just play money, house money. So, good times. Up at Sandbox, okay. Sandbox has been doing awesome. Alright. I did sell a little bit off, so I take some profits off the table. Same kind of deal. I got my initial capital back. But since that time, Sandbox has been going down a little bit. You can see back here, if you were following me, we accumulated while it was still cheap. And then we sold off a little when it was later on. So be sure to subscribe if you want to do that and learn how to do that to my channel. Let's take a closer look over the run down this last month. You can see we were up, and then we were down, we're up. We have a gradual bleed off. Now, I think this is going to stop at some point. I know Mana, Sand, a couple of the other virtual worlds that are coming online haven't been getting a lot of press, but the real estate on there is going bananas. So be sure to keep an eye on that going forward. Now, CRO is if you watched my video a couple days ago, we were in danger of breaking that 50-cent price floor. And actually we did for a brief time. It was a good buying opportunity. We broke below 50 cents down to 48 cents. Awesome. Now we're up above 54 cents again. But the big thing here is we're heading back to $1. Now, a lot of the early people who've been holding on to CRO for a long time had sold off. They were waiting for it to get close to $1, and they sold a bunch of it. And they've been bleeding off ever since. Now, I think we're at a stability point where CRO 50-cent price floor was critical to keep. We did it. Now, we're going to be going on the way back up the mountain. Alright? We're just in the accumulation phase. Haven't been really doing anything with the CRO. I mean, I actually did convert some to VVS, and that could be some of what holding the CRO price down. And as soon as that cools off a little, that's going to go away, that selling pressure, and that's going to increase the price of the CRO again. Now, Bitcoin has not been helping our situation. Okay, as you guys know, Bitcoin's been struggling over this last little while to maintain $50,000. All right, you can see here we're above 50K, and then we had a precipitous drop below, and we haven't really broke above that so much yet. We did break briefly, but then we sold off right below again. So 50K seems like a glass ceiling we need to shatter once again, and I think that time's coming. It's getting short because the supply is drying up. People are wanting to get into more Bitcoin, as it becomes more accepted and Crypto.com does more advertising. You can see it all over the place. We went to see Spider-Man No Way Home the other day, and lo and behold, Crypto.com had an advertisement before the movie in part of the previews. I was like, what the heck is this? I had no idea. It didn't even look like a Crypto.com commercial. I was like, yep, it is. There's a famous actor in there. So go check that out. It's pretty interesting. So anyway, be sure to get in on this crypto before it does take off. Could be any time now because we're holding steady, preparing for liftoff. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.